Does the right to clean environment entail legal regulations on burning crackers during Diwali? Discuss in the light of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution and Judgment S. of the Apex Court in this regard. Those saw words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. The right to a clean environment is a vital part of the right to life under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. This right includes access to clean air, which is essential for a healthy life. Body. In the context of burning crackers during Diwali, the Supreme Court has addressed the issue through various judgments to balance the right to a clean environment with cultural practices. MC Mehta vs. Union of India, 2001 Udas Smiley. The Supreme Court highlighted the right to a clean environment and directed the central government to control noise pollution from firecrackers. It called for noise standards and restrictions on using firecrackers in residential areas. Arjun Gopal vs. Union of India, 2017. The court imposed a temporary ban on firecracker sales in the Delhi NCR region to combat severe air pollution during Diwali. It also asked the Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, to study firecrackers' impact on air quality. Guidelines. In 2018, the Supreme Court issued guidelines for Diwali, including restrictions on non-green crackers, fixed time slots for bursting crackers, and designated areas for community celebrations. The court encouraged using environmentally friendly crackers to reduce air and noise pollution. These judgments show the Supreme Court's effort to balance environmental rights with cultural practices during Diwali. Conclusion. The Supreme Court's decisions reflect a balanced approach, protecting the right to a clean environment while respecting cultural traditions. Legal regulations on burning crackers during Diwali are crucial for ensuring a healthy environment and safeguarding citizens' well-being.